Bobcat compact tractors are powerful, rugged machines that are useful under a wide variety of conditions, which can present an operator with potential hazards. To avoid injuring yourself or others, or damaging your machine, familiarize yourself with the instructions in this video, your machine's operation and maintenance manual, operator's handbook, and the Association of Equipment Manufacturers Safety Manual before using a Bobcat compact tractor. While it is impossible to cover every situation you may encounter during operation, this video presents several topics including safety features, slope operation, job site management, and additional training resources. Your Bobcat compact tractor is designed with safety in mind, but safety also depends on you. As with any piece of equipment, always be aware of your surroundings while operating your machine. Wear appropriate clothing, including long pants, closed-toed shoes, and other PPE such as hearing protection and safety glasses when necessary. Loose clothing or jewelry can get tangled in moving parts and should be avoided. Put up long hair. Operate in well-lit conditions. When operating in low-light conditions, utilize the tractor's lights. Do not operate if you're experiencing drowsiness or under the influence of alcohol or drugs that may affect your judgment or reaction time. First, check your surroundings for any bystanders in the area. If anyone enters the job site while you're operating the tractor, stop the machine and wait for them to leave before continuing operation. Do not allow anyone to ride inside or on top of the tractor or any attachments or implements. Remember, a Bobcat compact tractor is strictly a one-person machine. Before entering the tractor, inspect your work area. If your machine is in an enclosed environment, make sure there is proper ventilation to reduce accumulation of dust, debris, and fumes. If you are operating your machine outdoors, check the surface conditions for adequate traction to avoid sliding down a slope, which could cause a rollover. Additionally, make sure the ground is prepared for your job. Call 888-258-0808 in Canada or dial 811 before you dig. You will see the safety alert symbol throughout the operation and maintenance manual, in the operator's handbook, and on pictorial safety signs. This identifies important hazards you should avoid to reduce the possibility of serious injury or death. Always follow the instructions in the safety message. Check the condition of the tractor and attachment, the 3-point hitch and implement, and the power takeoff driveline shields and guards for any damage, debris, or modifications. Only use approved attachments and implements. Ensure that the tires are properly inflated and replace them if necessary. Your machine may be equipped with a foldable 2-post ROPS or an enclosed cab. When working in a height-restricted application, the foldable 2-post ROPS can be lowered. Do not wear the seatbelt if operating the compact tractor with the ROPS lowered. There is no rollover protection while the ROPS is lowered. Put the ROPS in the up and locked position when the height-restricted use is not required. Check the condition of the seatbelt and mounting hardware and the safety interlock system for proper function. Familiarize yourself with the safety signs and replace any decals that are damaged or missing. Your dealer is the source for any available accessories or equipment for your particular job application, such as a ballast kit. Perform the rest of your daily inspection using the checklist included on your tractor or in the operation and maintenance manual. While entering or exiting the compact tractor, maintain 3 points of contact by utilizing the grab handles and steps. With the ROPS in the up position, fasten the seat belt so that it fits snugly across your hips. Keep your body inside the operator's area when operating the compact tractor. Never operate the tractor from outside the operator's station. Your Bobcat compact tractor is equipped with a neutral start interlock system, which will prevent you from starting the compact tractor or will shut the engine off unless certain conditions are met. In order to start the machine, fasten your seatbelt and place all controls in neutral. Bobcat compact tractors are available with 2 different types of transmissions, hydrostatic and manual. The controls used to operate the machine may vary depending on the transmission of the tractor. Although some controls may be different, one thing remains the same. Moving them smoothly is the best way to operate your tractor. The tractor will react the moment you press the control pedals or release the clutch. Do not make any sudden stops, starts, or turns. There are additional controls that operate the auxiliary hydraulic system to operate attachments and implements. Review the operation and maintenance manual or operator's handbook and operate your tractor at reduced speed until you are familiar with your tractor's controls. When operating your compact tractor, maintain a clear view of the direction of travel at all times. Use caution and reduce speed while operating on slopes. Keep movement slow and gradual. Drive straight up or down slopes. never across, and keep the heavy end of the tractor uphill. When equipped with a loader, the front of the compact tractor is heavier with a loaded bucket. Avoid starting or stopping and do not turn on slopes unless absolutely necessary. Use caution when operating near drop-offs or water and do not operate the tractor on steep inclines. Utilize the front wheel assist and rear axle differential lock while traversing muddy conditions or sandy soil to increase traction. Extra caution must be taken while driving the compact tractor equipped with the loader, attachments, or implements because steering and braking can be affected. Only use approved attachments and implements. Unapproved attachments or implements can cause serious injury or death. You may need to add a ballast to the front or rear of the compact tractor depending on the attachment or implement being used. For information on front and rear ballasts, review the Operation and Maintenance Manual or the Operator's Handbook. Make sure the Bobcat levers are completely down when connecting approved attachments. Once connected, tilt the attachment forward to visually confirm that the wedges are through the attachment mounting frame holes. Keep the load level while raising the loader arms. Never allow anyone to reach or stand under the loader arms. Carry loads as low as possible and do not travel or turn with the loader arms raised. When installing an implement using the 3-point hitch and rear PTO, install all hardware and pins and the PTO driveline. Ensure all guards and shields are in place before operating. Do not exceed the rated implement PTO speed because damage to the implement or tractor could occur. Keep bystanders away from PTO and PTO-driven equipment. Always disengage the PTO for road travel. Do not exceed loader or 3-point hitch lift capacities. Overloading could cause your machine to become damaged or to tip, resulting in serious injury or death. Do not exceed the compact tractor's towing capacity. Drive slowly while towing and only pull from the drawbar or 3-point hitch lower links, as rear overturn can occur if loads are improperly hitched. Before exiting the compact tractor, park on level ground. Lower the loader arms and place attachments and implements flat on the ground. Place all controls in neutral. Lock the brake pedals together, if equipped. Press down fully on the brake pedal and lift up and hold the parking brake lever. The brake pedals must remain fully engaged before leaving the operator's seat. Stop the engine and remove the key before exiting using 3 points of contact. If traveling on roads, make sure your compact tractor is equipped with a slow-moving vehicle emblem and use the hazard flashers. When transporting your tractor, ensure you have the proper size truck, trailer, and ramps. Load and unload the machine with the heavy end uphill. Install chains using recommended tie-down procedures found in the Compact Tractor Operation and Maintenance Manual. Always observe the rules, motor vehicle laws, and vehicle limit ordinances. Regular maintenance of your compact tractor promotes safe and efficient operation. Failure to maintain your machine will result in excessive wear and early failures. Before servicing your tractor, ensure that the loader arms are lowered or removed. Turn off the machine and allow all rotating components to stop. Keep the PTO shield and guards in place, including the implement PTO shield and the driveline guard. Hands, feet, clothing, or long hair can become entangled in the rotating driveline components, causing serious injury or death. Block up the 3-point hitch or mid-mount implements to prevent accidental lowering. Regularly check for and remove any built-up flammable debris, such as wood chips, grass, or hay from the machine, particularly in the engine compartment, and around the exhaust to prevent fire hazards. Stop the engine and let it cool before refueling. Never smoke and do not overfill the tank. If fuel is spilled, do not attempt to start the engine until it is cleaned up. Perform the rest of your daily inspection using the checklist included inside your Operation and Maintenance Manual or on the machine. Maintenance procedures which are not in the Operation and Maintenance Manual must be performed only by qualified Bobcat service personnel. Operators should be trained in the safety features and operation practices before using Bobcat compact tractors. It is essential that training be provided in a language the operator can understand, and they have opportunities to ask questions. Training should cover the key points discussed in this video. Workers should receive refresher training when covering new terrain, operating new equipment, or whenever deemed necessary. Always use your best judgment and be aware of your surroundings. Remember the safety instructions from this video and the Operation and Maintenance Manual when operating your machine. These tips will help you get the most out of your Bobcat compact tractor and allow you to stay safe while getting the job done. For additional information, technical specifications, or training resource information for all Bobcat equipment, contact your dealer or visit bobcat.com/training.